Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Journey. Today we are going to explore how to use Zoom in a web browser. If you encounter issue with the app or have you it installed, you can still join via browser. First, let's join the meeting using a link. Paste the link, press enter and a pop-up will appear to open a Zoom meeting or cancel. Click close. Next, click on launch meeting again. Another pop-up will appear. Click close once more. Now you will see the option join from your browser. Click on that. Enter your name into the provided field, then click join. You can adjust your audience settings as needed. Okay, now you are on Zoom. If you are interested in this type of videos, consider subscribe to our channel. Thanks for the watching.